Toy Story.
Duh.
First television special. Toy Story of Terror.
Your dog don't do it?
New episodes of Back in the Game, Modern Family, and an all-new super fun like It's So Funny, It's Scary.
You want to hear that? You're ignoring me, Reese, because you know your dog's doing it.
Starting 8/7 Central on ABC.
My two are in the house already.
I'm Hunky Brewster. And who are you?
I'm the manager of this building, Henry Waterman.
Nice to meet you, Hank.
I am not a Hank. I am a Henry. What are you doing here?
My husband and I are looking for a partner.
Never got into that shit.
You know what? If I'm 9 years old and people are saying, Punky, I'll be happy.
So you know, I guess now you know, this is Soleil Moon Fresh. She's our guest co-host, and that was a clip from the fabulous Punky Brewster. We want you to take a look at our
With a little int.
You guys have been sending
yours don't
wonderful,
scratch.
wonderful Halloween things, and maybe
I know, I'm
you'll
just hearing
get to
things.
it. If it's not, send us something via Twitter.
Shut up.
Hashtag The View.
Shut up.
Just send it directly to The View on our website, and maybe it'll get put up.
You hear about Halloween parties?
Boy, you're going to put right on your sister, didn't you?
How about this? There was a whole Twitter discussion yesterday. That Sharon was very upset yesterday. And she was very upset with our friend Dusty, who is here with us today. So Sharon, tell everybody what happened.
You know, because I said that Dusty